Bullish estimates for how much Dogecoin will cost in 2030 run from 32 cents to 62 cents. Researchers in the market think that Doge could hit 25 cents by the year 2025. Bearish, the price of Dogecoin on the market is expected to be 5 cents in 2023. Dogecoin presentation programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer came up with the idea for Dogecoin, also called DOGE, as a joke because of the crazy digital currency idea at the time. It is seen as the first image coin and the first canine coin. Despite being a joke, some people see it as a real way to make money. Open Door, the Shiba and new dog's faces from the Doge picture fill in his Dogecoin seal and namesake after it was sent out on December 6, 2013. It quickly set up its internet-based local area, and by May 5, 2021, it had a market value of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Note that the goals listed below are just plans and general information. They shouldn't be taken as investment advice. Instead, you should talk to experts before making any Dogecoin investments. Let's read this blog post to learn more. What is Dogecoin? It's an open-source digital currency that anyone can use. Dogecoin is a digital currency that works over the internet. It is seen as an optional cash, and its logo, a picture of a Shiba and a new dog, was introduced in December 2013. Even though it was first seen as a joke, Dogecoin has gained a lot of popularity. When the cryptocurrency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove the value of some coins up a lot. A lot of friends actually traded Dogecoin and use it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, even though it lost a lot of value when the bubble burst in 2018. Customers can buy and sell Dogecoin, and they can choose whether to keep it in a wallet or on an exchange. Since there is a limit on how many coins can be made, they can also choose where to keep it. Digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary, but Dogecoin is inflationary. This is because the number of Bitcoins given out as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given out, so is the growth rate. The in-depth look at Dogecoin. Most of the time, Dogecoin is in a decline, but there are moments when the price goes up, and when it goes down, the price of the coin goes back up quickly. When the price swings inside the channel trend lines, it moves in a down channel pattern for a long time. Brokers who think the price is likely to stay in the channel can trade when the price crosses the upper or lower pattern lines of the channel. When this happens, the price might flood in the breaking direction. Trend: this coin's price has been going down for a long time in all time frames. When the price is above the MACD warning line, the RSI stays below 50 and forces the price to go down. Blended, the volume on up days is higher than the volume on down days, which is shown by the rising ob arrow. Give Dogecoin a critical look. It's important to remember that, unlike the stock market, most digital currencies are projects, not businesses. This means that you can figure out if a digital currency is worth your time by turning your attention to it. Basic analysis is about figuring out what a resource is really worth by looking at all the information available about it. For example, you can figure out if a digital currency is overvalued or undervalued by looking at different internal and external factors. For Dogecoin, there are a number of incentives. The fact that it isn't covered makes its value go up. The benefits of supporting the company are known throughout the entire mining industry. There is currently no rush toward a claimed hard cap, which sets the company up for what's to come. This means that Dogecoin's value can go up even more, ensuring the growth of biological systems, even though its origin was set apart by experts and content makers tipping each other. At the moment, one Dogecoin is worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.58% so far, and there have been 157,833,314 trades. Dogecoin is currently the 8th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market value of $10 billion. $215,786,783 USD using the general strength record, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal in combination with the above chart. We can decide if Dogecoin is going to have a bullish or negative year based on the cost designs. Our price prediction tools use real-time data from the Dogecoin market, which is updated live on our website. This lets us give dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving at the moment. Dogecoin's value in 2023 is predicted from some points of view. Dogecoin is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly up to 10 cents. As with other digital forms of money, the rise will be slow, but there shouldn't be any big drops. An average price of 10 cents is very high, but it is possible soon if everyone works together and makes progress. The base value of a Doge should be 8 cents. Every 2024, people expect the value of a Dogecoin to be 2024 Dogecoin. Doge price prediction has a lot of room for growth because of the predicted declarations of many new groups and projects. We think that the price of Doge will soon be higher than 18 cents. Still, we should wait to see if the Doge's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish trades. Bets that take into account how unstable the market is. The base exchange rate for Doge is 14 cents, and the average exchange rate is 16 cents. Dogecoin price prediction for 2025. If the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it could hit 25 cents, and Doge might do well if the market goes down. The goal might not be reached. In 2025, the average price of a Doge swap should be 23 cents, and the lowest price should be 21 cents. Dogecoin price prediction 2026. If Dogecoin does a good job of supporting market opinion among digital money fans, Dogecoin prices could stay stable for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. Doge will be green in 2026. In 2026, the Doge is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, a unit of virtual currency will be worth 32 cents, with a starting price of 29 cents and an average price of 30 cents. Dogecoin value prediction for 2027. Based on a lot of guanjing and technical research, we think that by 2027, the price of a Doge won't go above 38 cents. Before the end of the year, the base price is expected to be 36 cents.